This Junghans automatic max build Chronoscope chronograph wristwatch features the artist's classic simplified dial design. The watch has a silver dial, and this has Max Bill's specially stylized, designed Arabic numerals. It's also elongated outer markers, and then two subsidiary dials which count minutes to below 12 o'clock and hours above 6 o'clock. There's also an aperture for date, luminescent accents above the quarter hours, and luminescent baton hands. The stainless steel case has a polished finish with a faceted bezel, and then a screw down case back which has a facsimile signature of Max Bill to the centre. As an automatic model, it will wind itself as it's being worn. However, if it's lain dormant for a period of time and needs to be restarted, this can be achieved by turning the crown away from you a few turns, which will be enough to get the watch started. Hand settings adjust in a normal manner. You just pull the crown out, in this instance to the second setting. You can then advance the time to the desired hour. The date will change each day at midnight, so I'll just take the hands round to see this happen. There's also a fast date change facility as well, which we'll have a look at in a moment. So as you reach 12 o'clock, the date flips forwards, and then if you wish to manually advance, if you press the crown back towards the body of the watch, and then pull out to the first setting, it's important not to do this between the hours of 8 PM and 1 AM, as this can interfere with the automatic function of the date setting. So you can just select the correct date and then press the crown in when you're finished. The chronograph is started by the upper pusher, so if you press once to start, this will start the chronograph seconds hand running, and then it will count minutes above and hours below. To reset the chronograph or stop it, you press the upper pusher first to stop it, and the lower pusher will then reset it to the 12 or 0 position.